Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're going to look at some dandy items, and this is the King Lenny Love. King Lenny Love is an animated Valentine's Day plush made by Dan-D. He wears a white shirt with a red heart pattern on it, a red bow white with a white heart pattern on it, and a golden crown with a red heart on it. He holds a heart in his hands that reads "Wild Thing, I think I love you." He shakes and sings. Look, yep, he shakes and sings "Wild Thing." Dancing Vampire. And that one's really vintage, and it looks like this. The Dancing Vampire is an animated Halloween plush made by Dan-D in 1999. He has purple skin and black hair. He wears a green jacket with yellow and pink patches, a yellow shirt, a purple belt, pink pants, orange shoes, and a pink bow tie. His head and mouth moves while singing Monster Mash. Dancing Santa Claus. And that one's really vintage too. The Dancing Santa Claus is an animated Christmas figure made by Dan-D in 1999. Santa holds a green sack over his right shoulder. His head and mouth moves while singing Jingle Bell Rock. Rootin' Tootin' Monster. This is the Rootin' Tootin' Monster made by Dan-D. He wears a golden jacket, a purple vest, and green pants. He has orange skin and red hair. He shakes, vibrates while he sings. He cut a fart to the tune of Monster Mash and farts. That's funny. Yeah, it's funny. This is funny. This is funny when it farts. Dizzy Head Halloween characters. And this one has a witch and a Frankenstein. The Dizzy Head Halloween characters are made by Dan-D in Halloween 2000. Each one is dressed in a classic Halloween accent. Each character spins their heads. Each character spins their head while singing a Halloween parody of a popular song. The Frankenstein sings "Hooked on a Feeling," and then the witch sings "Who Put the Bump." And it also has a video, but we cannot watch the video. Kenny the Christmas Rat, and he looks like this, and it also has a video. Kenny the animated Christmas Rat is made by Dan-D in 2007. He's gray and white, and has big white eyes, and has red eyelids, and wears overalls with peppermint buttons on them, and wears a Santa's cap with a golden bell on the end. He sways his head side to side and up and up and up and up and down, and his cheeks light up while the song where Santa's elves play. We're Light up while the song where Santa's elves plays. Barry the elf. And it looks like a sidestepper. Barry is an animated Christmas plush figure made in 2008. He wears a green vest with a red button, a white shirt, red pants, green elf shoes, and a Santa's hat. His cheeks light up, and he shuffles side to side to the song We Are Santa's Elves. Balloon Easter duck, and it looks like this. This duck is made by Dan D. He wears a pink bow and holds a balloon that reads "Especially for you." He sings "Splish Splash" as he dances, and his cheeks light up. Dancing Do You Love Me Frog, and he looks like this. The Dancing Do You Love Me Frog was made by Dan D. The frog has a small heart in his mouth that reads "Do you love me" on it. He dances and sings "Do you love me." He's really cute. Wiggling Walter, and it's a rabbit. Wiggling Walter is made by Dan D. He's a blue bunny with rainbow colored eyelids and has a colorful bow tie. He dances back and forth, and his cheeks light up as he sings "Let's Twist Again" in an Easter parody of the hit song Let's Twist Again. Dancing Valentine's Day Prisoner Bear. And that one's really vintage too. Dancing Valentine's Day Prisoner Bear is an animated Valentine's Day figure made by Dan D in 2000. He wears a black and white striped prisoner outfit and a matching hat with a heart on it. He has handcuffs on him, which are tied into a heart that reads "Rescue Me" on it. He moves his head and mouth while singing "Rescue Me." Valentine Puppy Love Walking Wobbler, and he looks like this. And he looks like this. The Puppy Love Walking Singing Dog is made by Dan D in 2006. He wears a red and white cap and has a red jersey on that reads "Puppy Love" on it. He moves his arms up and down and walks as he sings "Puppy Love." Dan D Valentine's Day Dr. Love Gorilla. The Dancing Valentine's Day Dr. Love Gorilla was made by Dan D in 2000. He wears a professional-looking doctor's uniform with kiss marks on it, and a matching hat which reads RX on it. He has a heart-shaped stethoscope that reads "Dr. Love" on it. His head and mouth move while singing "Wild Thing." Purely Penguin, and he looks like this. Purely Penguin is an animated Christmas plush made by Dan D in 2002. He wears a scarf with red, yellow, and blue stripes with a matching golf cap with a yellow pom-pom on top. His head sways side to side while singing a Christmas parody of Yakety Yak called Quacky Quack Quackity Quack. Sugar Pie Puppy. And he looks like this, and it also has a video. Sugar Pie Puppy is a singing Valentine's Day toy made by D&D. He's a white dog with black ears, nose, and spot on his right eye. He has a kiss on his right cheek, and wears a red bow tie with white hearts on it. He also holds a heart that reads Sugar Pie Honey Bunch on his. He moves his head side to side as he sings I Can't Help Myself, Sugar Pie Honey Bunch. Rocking Chair Reindeer. And it looks like those ones. Yeah, there's all kinds of rocking chair reindeers. The rocking chair reindeer is an animated Christmas plush figure made in 2006. The reindeer wears a holiday scarf and sits in an authentic looking miniature rocking chair with grandma embedded on the headrest. The reindeer's cheeks light up and he rocks back and forth on his chair to the original Dr. Elmo recording of the song Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. The ultimate fisherman, and he looks like this. The ultimate fisherman is a singing fisherman made by D&D. He sings Hooked on a Feeling and dances back and forth and side to side. He holds a fishing pole that has a realistic looking fish on it. Chicken Dance Waddling Chickens. And it has all kinds of these chickens. And this is so long to read. I can't read the full thing. Little Lamb. And that one does not look like Dandy. It looks like Sound and Light. Little Lamb is a singing Easter lamb made by Dandy. He wears a pair of white bunny ears. He sings an Easter sing as he dances. Yeah, this one does not look like Dandy. He looks like this one's made by Sound and Light animatronics. Singing Christmas Dalmatian. And it looks like the Dalmatian that sings and he sings shout. The Singing Dalmatian is made by Dandy in 2013 and 2014. He spins around and sings a Christmas version of the song Shout. He wears a scarf with Christmas lights on it and can be found at Home Depot and Kmart. Let It Snow Penguin. Wait, that one's not Dandy. That one's made by Jemmy Industries. Jonathan Holiday. That one's a Dandy item, and it's a puppy dog. Jonathan Holiday, or Johnny Holiday, is a singing Christmas pup made by Dandy. He wears a top hat, red jacket, and has a plaid scarf and feet. He also wears black pants. His cheeks light up as he sings Jingle Bell Rock. Animated Christmas Dog Mania. And it has two Christmas dogs. The Christmas Dog Mania is made by Dandy in 2013. It features two dogs that move